Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, my name is Fatima Salma Setiabudi. I'm from class 12 Science 3. I'm here to share information. You know what? Yes, how to make pancake. Keep watching guys. Ingredients: 10 tablespoons of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of margarine, 1 egg spread, yellow and white, 1 glass of liquid milk, and sufficient water. Tools: spoon, bowl, plate, spatula, glass, teflon, grated cheese, scales. Step 1. Throw the wheat, sugar, egg yolk, and liquid milk into the bowl. Step 2. Put enough water in the bowl and then stir until it is flattened out. Step 3. Throw a margarine over the hot stove. Step 4. Then mix liquid margarine into the bowl and stir it evenly. Step 5. Shuffle the egg into the foam and then throw the egg white into the bowl. Step 6. Heat teflon with a small flame. Then take a dip with a green spoon to make it evenly sized. Step 7. Wait for a minute the batter gets brown. Step 8. Lift it up and then put the pancakes on the plate. Put on the cheese and milk toppings. Pancakes ready to be served.